So, what made you get into the gossip business?
Oh, Clark, we're all in the gossip business.
Yeah, but you get paid for it.
I get the best stuff. You wouldn't believe some of the secrets people carry around with them. You have any, secrets, Clark?
Must be the office. May I? Oh, thanks. This is Kent.
Kent, there's been a new development. I'm sending Jimmy with the van to pick you up.
I'll grab a taxi.
Where are you anyway? My God, sounds like jungle drums.
Just a sec.
Clark, quit playing games. Where are you?
Lois, Clark is busy right now. Why don't you give him a few minutes to freshen up first?